welcome to another video on aftermarket arbitrage. In this video I'm going to be showing you the live releases category, the Europe channel, and how to enter raffles in order to help you make the most money that you can. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. Okay, so when you first get onto the Discord, you want to head over to the live releases category. For this example, we're going to be looking at the Jordan 1 High Mocha. When you first go onto the page, you will have a bit of information about the shoe, a picture of the shoe, etc, etc. Then a bit further down, it has a lot of key information that you really want to read. So for this sneaker, it explains that we're going to have the typical retailers, Foot Patrol, Offspring, Size and End, and then there is also going to be a couple of extra ones because of the high stock numbers such as Hanin. It also explains that the best way to maximise your chance of copying is to enter hold raffles. So this is where the raffle will hold your money, and if you're successful, it takes the money off pending, and obviously you pay for the shoe. And if you're unsuccessful, then the money is refunded in a couple of days. Less people enter these, therefore your chances will be increased. The channel then goes on to say that the best hold raffles are Foot Patrol, Size and Hanin. So take this advice, go and enter on them. Same with any channel. If the channel's recommended it, then it is definitely worth going and following that advice, as all these guys that make the channels have tons of experience, tons of knowledge. It's going to be the best way to cop the shoe. Then further down we have the best sizes and safe sizes. For this shoe, it is base sizes and bigger sizes, but the safe sizes are all of them just because of the hype of the shoe. All sizes will do really well. Below this, there is a link to StockX and GOAT for this shoe. So what you want to do is head over to StockX. Then once on StockX, what we want to do is check what the best sizes are. And then when you go and enter your raffles, this is the size that you want to go, as this will maximize your profits. As you can see, base sizes and larger sizes are doing extremely well, just as the channel said. You then also want to check GOAT just to compare prices as what might be the best platform for you to sell on. The channel provides the retail price and estimated resale. As you can see, for the Jordan 1 Mocha, resale is looking at £300 to £350 and therefore a £200 potential profit. Then below this we have the recommendation for this shoe. For this drop, the recommendation is to go in store and check as many retailers as you can, such as Foot Locker and Size, as they might get a few pairs just after the drop day, returns, missing stock, etc. Keep an eye out for them. Then once you've done this, you want to head over to #Europe. So this channel is a raffle monitor basically. So what it does is picks up a variety of raffles, any raffles that are dropping, this monitor picks it up. You want to keep an eye out for this and go and enter as many as you can on these, because a lot of them you wouldn't have heard of before, but an extra entry into a raffle is a better chance of gaining the shoe. So for example here, it's picked up the Mocha from Oakreum. I've never heard of Oakreum before, but I'm going to enter in there as it is another raffle entry. You then just want to have a look through. The channel and see if any more Mochas have popped up that you might not have entered. So there's SNS, Shinzo. You want to flip through this and have a look at as many raffles as possible, as you want to maximize your chances of copying. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.